Everyone, in this video we are going to see about the tools of MS Word. In this video we will see the two tools, spell check and thesaurus. So spell check, it is obvious, it will help to check for any spelling mistake in the document you type. So Microsoft Word has a special feature called spell check that allows you to check spelling and grammatical mistakes that you made in the document. Basically, spell check is a software tool that identifies the misspelled words present in the document. It allows you to search a particular word in the document that you know you have misspelled in the whole document. It is in Microsoft Word documents, Word's spell check function is set to automatically check your spelling while you type. So we must all have crossed across this situation. When you type something wrong, we can see that the words are underlined in red color to say that it is a misspelled word. So it also gives some suggestion for the correct spelling mistake so that we can correct the spelling mistake on the flow. So how to use the spell checker? Open the Word document, Excel, PowerPoint or the publisher. Place your cursor at the point in the document where you want the spell checker to begin. So here by default the spell check starts from the start and goes till the end of the document. Suppose if you want to check for the spelling mistake only is in some part of the document, that time you can just put the cursor where you want. For example, if you are having a 100-page document and if you are sure that 50 pages are correct, if you want to start from 51 page, you can put the cursor in the page number 51. From there the document will be checked for any spelling mistake. Select the review tab near the top of the program window. So you have to click on the review tab. There you will get the option. Select the spelling button in the proofing section of the toolbar in the Word. Select the spelling or proofing button. The program will check your document for misspelled words and provide you with the options for correcting or ignoring the possible spelling error. So when you start using this review and check on the spelling button, you will it will just keep on moving down all the misspelled words. That means whichever is wrong, it will check every word. If something is wrong, it will stop and give you some suggestion to correct the errors. If you want, you can correct or you can ignore and you can move for the next word. So this is the windows that from which we can see the spelling. You can see the review is after the top are the menus: file, home, insert, design, layout, reference, mailings, and next to that is the review menu. When you click on the review menu, you will get to the spelling. You can see the first option is the spelling and grammar. If you click on this, you will get to the tool will be on, so you will get some whichever mistake is in the document will show the mistake in the document. This is the screen, and then you can see here the proofing is here. For example, for the spelling of the word is given and which is the wrong, it is mentioned here. Then it will give all the possible correction like worst, words. So the related words are given some suggestions so that you can choose any of the suggestions from the given list. And if you click on this, if you want, you can change. Otherwise you can use the ignore case, ignore once, ignore all, or add to dictionary. Ignore once means that particular word will be skipped and move to the next word. Otherwise, if you give ignore all means all such word will be ignored and it will move on this. So when we use the ignore all, suppose if you given the name of the person in the document, for the name has no word in the no spelling in the dictionary because everyone write their name in different spelling. Okay, so for that case, when it come across the names, you can just ignore all. Otherwise you can use the ignore once. You can just go word by word, whichever it is wrong, it will highlight. Then we can, if you want, you can change, or we can just ignore once and you can move to the next word. Okay, so now this is after completing all the whole document. It will ask word has completed the finished your document, do you want to continue again? So if it is asking for again, if you want, you can again give yes or you can give no. If you give no, it will come out of the document. If you give yes, it will again go back to the starting of the document. So this is how to check the spelling mistake in the Word document. The next tool is the thesaurus. What is thesaurus does is it just check for the grammar mistake in the document. Using the thesaurus, you can look up synonyms, different words with the same meaning and antonyms the words with the opposite meaning. So thesaurus gives the synonyms and the opposites of the words that we come across in the document. So how to go to the same thing from the review menu, after the spelling and grammar we are getting the thesaurus. If you click on this thesaurus, you will just get the document, that option will be enabled. Okay, so the in the desktop version of your Word, PowerPoint or Outlook, you can get a quick list of synonyms by right clicking a word and choosing the synonyms. The Office online apps does not include a synonym finder. Actually, what does it mean is, you select some word and if you just right click the mouse, you will get the options for those particular word which you have selected. It will give the synonyms and the antonyms of the given word. You just to know the meanings or the opposites of the particular word. Okay, so this option is not available in the online version of the Office. That means you all have their, in the mobile you have the Microsoft Office app, like a Word app, Excel app, PowerPoint app are there. So those apps do not have this synonym finder. Synonym finder is the thesaurus option. Okay, so next, how to do this? Click the word in your document that you want to look up. So suppose if you want to know the meaning of any document, you just select the word and just you click on this thesaurus. On the review button, click thesaurus, and then to use one of the words in the list of the results or to search for more words, do one of the following. So once you select this, you can just get the meaning and opposites of the given word. And then if you want to use those words in your, suppose when you are writing the document, instead of using the same name, same word, you want to change the word. For that case you can use this type of thesaurus. Okay, this thesaurus helps you to add different words in a document. Okay, so now to use one of this, what you have to do is, you have to just to replace your selected word with one of the words from the list. Point it and then you have to click down the arrow, then click insert. Even if click insert, it will just insert the synonym word into your document. To copy and paste from a word list, as we have just seen before, it may give a single word or a list of words. If you want to list some other word, copy some other word from the list, you have to use the copy paste option using the Control C, Control V, or the copy and the paste option. You can click the and then paste the word anywhere that you like. To look up the additional related words, click a word on the list of results. So if you want to add more words, you can just click on the word which you want to add inside the document. So this is how to use the thesaurus and the spell check in the Word document. Hope it is easy to follow. It is a very important and good tool to use in a Word document to come out with the proper words and also without any errors. Hope it is easy to follow. Thanks for watching.